In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find newsletter sign-up contacts in Klaviyo. This is a useful check when you want to confirm who has joined your newsletter, review recent growth, or make sure new sign-ups are flowing into the right place. We will be working inside your Klaviyo account, and the main idea is simple. You will open your audience area, choose the correct list, and then view the profiles inside that list. Start by looking at the left-hand navigation in Klaviyo. Find Audience, then click Lists and Segments. This section is where Klaviyo stores your lists, like your main newsletter list, as well as any segments you may have created for targeting. Once you are on the Lists and Segments page, locate and select your newsletter list. Take a moment to make sure you pick the correct one, especially if you have multiple lists with similar names. Choosing the right list matters, because the contacts you see next are tied directly to that specific list. After you open the newsletter list, look near the top of the page for the Profiles tab and click it. The Profiles tab is where Klaviyo shows the individual contacts that belong to this list. This view is designed for reviewing who is included, and it is the quickest way to see your newsletter sign-up contacts all in one place. Now you can view the list of sign-up contacts. You will see the profiles that have been added to your newsletter list, which typically represents your subscribers. If you are checking this for accuracy, scan through the names and details that appear and confirm that the list looks current. If you are expecting new sign-ups, you can also look for the most recent entries near the top, depending on how your account displays the profiles. When you are done, you can stay on this screen to review as many profiles as you need, since this is the central spot for confirming your newsletter list membership. That covers everything you need to know.